Welcome to TechieTalkee. In this video, we are going to know what Python is all about. We have heard everyone talk about Python, but basically, what is Python? What does it do? Do you know the most popular streaming network, Netflix? It uses Python for some of its features. When we think about search engine, Google comes to our mind. Google is another Python-based website. YouTube was built using Python. Instagram, one of the most popular online photo sharing program, uses Python programming. Uber app also uses Python for some of its features. This list keeps going on and on and on. Looking at this list, we too would like to learn Python and develop something new. Having known about the various websites and apps where Python is used, let's try to understand what Python is all about. Python is a general purpose interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and high level programming language. So, what is general purpose language? It is a programming language that is used to create all types of programs. A machine does not understand the language we speak. Instead, it understands the only binary language, which is 0 and 1. So our programming language is meant to communicate with the machines. So what Python does is it converts our code to machine language so that the processor can execute that code and display the results. Python is an interactive language. It operates in such a way that the user and the computer can interact with each other during the execution. Python is an object-oriented programming language. So it works on the concept of objects and classes, and the classes are the reusable pieces of code. Python is also a high-level programming language. It is a computer programming language that resembles a natural language and may have some mathematical notation. So due to all its advantages, Python is commonly used for developing websites, software, task automation, data visualization, and so on. It is very easy to learn for programmers and non-programmers. In the next set of videos, you will learn how to program in Python. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.